Hey, this is Team Trinity One, and I'm Anshul, the Scrum Master. Today, we're just going to be going over our website and some of the cool features that we've included in our movie store. Um, so let's just get right into it. So we're on the homepage right now, pretty basic. Just movie store, some basic info like welcome to the best movie store ever, because this is the best movie store. So now we're gonna click on um, the About page. So we're going to see a bit about us. So at Movie Stores, we offer a vast digital library that spans across genres, ensuring there's something for every movie lover. So our whole purpose of this website is just to make movie buying a lot easier online, especially just to improve convenience and cater to all the customers' needs. Something cool I think we've implemented in this website is we made it more personalized for Georgia Tech. So we have uh, the Rambling Rec right here in just Georgia Tech, just the great school, sitting right on our About page. So we made it more personal for us, and we thought it'd be a nice touch to include on our website. So now we're going to get into some of our cool features that we've implemented into the website. So we click on our sign up page. It's a pretty basic standard sign up form with some basic fields such as username, password, and password confirmation, which is something you'd see in a lot of other web applications. So very standard. So I'm just going to make an account. I'm just going to say Anshul Mohanty 999. And password, I'm going to type, so I'm going to be implemented to just type something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something cool we've now done is that when you sign up and you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's actually just too short. It needs to contain 8 characters. It cannot just be entirely numeric. It has to have some type of mixture with symbols or letters or just overall just something with something else. It can't be a simple password. So this is just to ensure that users have the safety and their accounts don't get hacked into. So it's a good practice we've included. So I'm just going to type in another password. And for privacy reasons, I'm not going to tell you guys what that password is. But yeah, so sign up. We're gonna save that. So now we save that, login in, and we're gonna log in now. This is a very standard login page as well. Just I think that it's very common that once users will log out, sign in, and just after they sign up or register the account, they get automatically directed to a login page. And I think that's a standard feature that a lot of web pages have. From now on, when I access this website, I'm just gonna be going through the login page. I don't have to sign up every time. But yeah. So after I log in, back to the home page. So we saw this. Now I'm gonna just look at some of the movies that this site has to offer. So we're gonna click on the movies page. We have all our movies listed here. You know, some great variety in some of the films we picked out. Let's say I wanted to search for a specific movie, like I want to start with Avatar. Let's say I want to search for a specific movie like Avatar. Search for Avatar, bam, it's right there. Click on Avatar, I can see all its great details. Go back. I want to search for, let's say I said Batman. Search. I don't see that because what happens is the full title of the Batman, I believe, was The Dark Knight, or I don't remember the full title, but it was definitely not just Batman. So when you search for a movie that's not there, you just get to a blank page. Now I search for, I believe I search right for Avatar. Let's say I search for Inception. Inception. Now we're gonna get Inception. We can see all its details and blah. But okay, I'm gonna go back to the all the movies to view. So I'm just gonna click the search button, clear it up, and we go back to the main page for all the movies. So yeah, that's a pretty cool feature we included. And now we're gonna talk about just writing reviews. So I'm gonna click on The Dark Knight. Uh, we could see some reviews. We see people saying loved it, movie's great, movie was completely life changing, and I'm like, wow, this movie's pretty cool. After reading these reviews, I'm gonna add this to my cart. So I'm gonna add this to my cart, and I can see that now it's a cool movie ID. You can see the movie ID in the shopping cart, but I can also add some reviews to that movie. So I'm going to go back and let's say I already watched the movie. Now I just added it to my cart. But let's say for all testing purposes, I already watched this movie and I'm going to watch it again for some reason, actually. I can say that. movie was mid at best. So the movie was mid at best. I can add that review, and I can see that my review's posted here. It's all posted by date as well. You can see someone posted at 9:31 p.m., 1:18 a.m. for some reason, and now 1:40 a.m. So we're seeing that people are posting at different times, different dates, and or it's all organized by that. So I can also edit my review. So I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna now say, you know what? I watched the movie again, and I'm definitely gonna say that movie was pretty awesome. Pretty awesome movie. Gonna edit it. Now you see that the movie was pretty awesome. That's just a new review it has now, and we kept it like that. So yeah, um, so great. I added it to my cart, and actually now for some strange reason, actually I'll show you that with another movie. So then I go back to another movie. I'm gonna say I want Titanic. Excited to see it. Some guy wrote. I am not gonna write a review because let's say I didn't watch Titanic, but for some reason this movie I heard was really sad, and I want to cry today. So I'm gonna order 5 copies of Titanic because I really want to get in my emotions today. So I add to the cart. I see my total pay is $77. Uh, I have the option to remove it, like remove all the movies from the cart or purchase it. Now, for demonstration purposes, I just went through all this to add everything to the cart, so I'm not about to remove it. But if I wanted to, I could just clear my whole cart out. So I'm going to purchase it in all good nature, and I just see that my congratulations, the purchase completed. The order number is 8. So now I'm going to track my order. I go to orders, and I see that I can see my orders and the date. So February 17th, 2025. Total I played was $77, and I can see which movies I caught. So I copped the Dark Knight. I paid $12 for it. Just quantity was 1. Titanic. I paid 4. I got I excuse me. I got the Titanic. The price was $13, but I decided to get 5 copies of it. The math checks out. 65 plus 12, 77. So cool. My order's great. Uh, so that's that. Now something I think is really cool is we're looking at this website from a user standpoint, but we want to now look at how the admin would view this because a lot of sites have admin accesses and admin pages are obviously not available to standard users. So we're going to go on the admin page and see what it's like. So I get an admin page. I'm just going to quickly log into that. So quickly log in. Okay, so now we're on the admin page, and we see now that it's almost like a database. If we think about it, it's almost like a database because all the we have all the users, we have all the items, orders, movies, reviews. We have everything stored here. So everything that's getting pushed from the website is actually getting pushed to the admin side. So we can actually just see everything. And so, like for example, I go on the users. Every time a user logs in, I can see I can see the user's login. So look, I see that my latest account on Shul Mohanty 999 just got added here. I can see who's staff status. So I can see Hirsch. He is the only one who actually has access to the admin site. Whoever has a red X, definitely they're just users. So on Shul Mohanty 999, I can just click on him and I can see just more details about him. Um, so yeah, I can also click on orders. I can see all the orders placed. I can see on Shul Mohanty's 999, he just paid $77 for his 2 movies. And then I can also see the first order, her, she paid $12 for some movie. I don't remember the prices, but yeah, we can also see the reviews. Now, this is a pretty keen part of the website because often at times people can post things that maybe we don't agree with, or maybe a lot of times I think from a actual website standpoint would violate our website term of conduct or just not what we stand for. Or maybe the comment was inappropriate, spoiled the movie. Yeah. So what we can do is we can actually edit people's comments. So let's say I just said, you know what? I didn't for some reason I did not like The Dark Knight and I think it's a horrible movie. And I think that people shopping on our website definitely need to know that. So movie was utterly garbage. So yeah, the movie was utterly garbage. I'm gonna save that. And then also another cool thing I can do is I can go to orders and also cancel people's orders. So now we're gonna go to the orders and let's say, you know what, dude? I don't think you need to get this $77. You're paying for nothing. And I don't think that you need to I don't think you need to get 5 copies of the Titanic because we don't have 5 copies to give out to you. So you know what? I'm gonna delete your order. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just say yeah. So as I do that, now we can go back to our site and let's say I'm gonna log in back in with this guy's account. And now I go to my orders. My orders are gone. So I can see from the admin side, I clearly just uh, changed that completely, got rid of the order. I would say I just didn't want to give you those movies. I just chose to do that, and now you don't have orders. So that's from a more of a reasonable standpoint. If someone orders something unrealistic, maybe an unrealistic amount, we don't have inventory, we can just cancel orders. And the professional thing would obviously be to contact the user. But yeah, also on the reviews, I can go to Dark Knight and now I can see that instead my movie was utterly garbage. So my review completely changed. I can edit this, but the admin could also edit that too. So yeah, that's pretty much all the cool features I guess we have on our website. This was really fun to make, and we learned so much, just incorporating so many different languages in PyCharm. So yeah, it was a great experience, and thank you guys for watching.